We are at Global Wellbeing Center and we are discussing about Global Cardio Care and Cure Program. One of our research associate, Dr. Ramesh Deshpande, who is being known as a traditional herbal practitioner since ages together. His fathers, his parents, forefathers, they have been working on tradition and methods and Ayurveda. He himself is a well-learned Ayurveda Acharya. His wife is gold medalist. And whatever research we do at Global Wellbeing Center, by God's grace, Dr. Deshpande has understood our knowledge, depth, and he is being using our food supplements for various problems. So one of our problem suffered by Prafulla, it is dysfunctioning of the cardiac wall. It's a mechanical problem. Yet we have been very nicely treated various problems in cardiac disease, but this was the second or third incidents, and whatever Deshpande has grasped our depth, he will explain what is what. So Dr. Deshpande.
Hello, welcome. I am Dr. Ramesh Madhukar Deshpande, pure Ayurvedic practicing since last 35 years. I am pure Indian. I am proud of Ayurveda. Be Indian, by Indian. One of my friend, Mr. Anil Ghanwat, best gentleman, he met me at least 4 to 5 years back. He told me about the medicine, pure Ayurvedic medicine. I impressed to learn that. He is really great scientist of the only herbal plant. And then one of the patient, Mr. Prafulla Sonavne, age about 27 years. He came to me and he asked me what to do, doctor. He was very anxious. What to do? He was tension due to his heart problem. In Ayurveda, there are types of the heart disease. One of them called the Pittaja, Rudro, Vataja Rudro, Kaphaja Rudro, and last Sannipatija Rudro. I checked Mr. Prafulla Sonavne. Then I saw the report. One of the doctors, Sathe, sent him to Rubial Clinic, Grand Medical Foundation. Just there was a problem of the wall. They advised him to do the surgery, and patient is not interested to do it. Only left ventricular failure. So then EF was only 40%. Right side congestion like this. I told him, one of my friend preparing some Ayurvedic medicine in the powder form. It is beneficial. I have no experience up till of this medicine, but please you can try it. Within 3 months he is getting best result. There is no swelling. When he came to me, the swelling on the feet, on hand, on the stomach, enlarged belly, and the puffiness on the face. Within 3 months, he was alright. Now he is joining the gym without breathless. He was complaining if little moment he was suffering from the breathlessness. Now he is okay. He is taking his breath properly, and he is happy. He joined gym. So I listen from him. I am happy with your medicine, but I like to say credit goes to only Mr. Anil Ghanwat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And here we are getting some experiences of Prafulla, how has been cured from the problem mechanical fault, mechanical wall repair.
Hi, my name is Prafulla Bhalchandra Sonavne. I am 29 years old now, and when I was 27, I had a severe heart disease. Like my heart walls were not functioning properly. So I had a lot of issues regarding that. I was obese. I had my heartbeats were beating faster than normal. There was swelling in my legs, in my stomach. I had a very round stomach, due to which I had to face a lot of problems. I had breathing issues. Even if I walk for 10 minutes, I had a very breathing fast breathing. I used to stop. I was panting very much, and even I also had when I used to climb 10 to 15 stairs, I used to stop for a while to take breathe. So I had a lot of breathing issues because of my heart. So my in-law suggested me to meet Dr. Here Deshpande, and they suggested me the powder, the Ayurvedic powder by heart, due to which I had a lot of better effects, and my all symptoms were minimized within 3 months of time. And I within 6 months I again started my day-to-day routine. I had to leave my job because of this heart dysfunctioning, my health issues. So within 6 months I again joined my job. I went to my day-to-day routine, and I did my heart symptoms like my sweating, swelling on the legs and stomach, all decreased in a lot of proportion. So I was very well after within 6 months, and within a year I also joined a gym to gain some strength, which I had to lose past few years because of heart issues, and I was not able to do gym regularly because of I used to get sweating, my breathing issues. So I again joined gym within a year, and now I am perfectly fine. I'm working for a job also right now, and I'm doing a lot of activities right now, and my heart condition and my overall condition is very good, and I really thank Mr. Deshpande, Dr. Deshpande and Anil Ghanwat sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Prafulla. Thank you, Dr. Deshpande. The Bharatiya traditions, peace and natural healthcare, what we are working. Because of Dr. Deshpande, we have came to know that mechanical fall, the wall that can be repaired. This is the first case, and it is miracle. The miracle is only due to Ayurveda and a great God man like Dr. Deshpande, who has accepted the research, who has given strength to our research. We sincerely thank you. Let's hope we could cover and we could make the entire world free from cardiac disease. Thank you. Thanks a lot.